It's Koaster Karl, K-A-R-L. Ride the waves, scream and yell. It's Koaster Karl, K-A-R-L. Join the fun, let's all tell.
Hi to the viewers, we're at Busch Gardens today. And we're here for Kids Weekend! Yay!
Alright, fun begins here. Where's Carl?
Right here.
Right. It's so cold.
Yes, it's so cold today.
She's laughing. Flower maze.
Can I hold the... Can
Wow, you're so fast. Wow, you figured it out. Whoa. All right, you want to take him through once? Here.
Yes. Hold the camera.
There you go.
Good job, Willow.
Aww.
Oh, you fixed it.
Here, I trained you.
Carl's doing a Busch Garden
Green
sign.
or blue? Do you want green or blue?
I want to...
We gotta get our nose.
Oh, there you go.
That's better.
Yay.
Now you look like you're supposed to.
You made that. Here's Willow's. She won't wear hers. Where are you going?
This.
Whoa.
Yeah, we just started a vlog. She said, yeah, I'll do high fives.
Yeah.
That is so sweet.
Aww.
Do you want to turn around and smile for a photo? She said, that's it. Is he cooking ice cream?
Aww. Thank you.
Cookie has an important question for you.
Aww.
Those are cool glasses.
It's not forever.
Hi. And fun? Is it fun? Here goes Carl.
Arms are still up.
Arms are still up. Good job.
are at Busch Gardens and we're at the teacups. I teacups. And there's a look at the turtle.
Oh.
We're at the teacups.
And we're spinning. Karl get measured.
Please make sure to keep your hands down. Thank you.
You gotta do it? Yeah, I did it.
I got some!
Yay!
There you go, like that. Stop. That's it. That's how you do it.
I can't walk anymore.
What are we doing? Bumper cars?
Yeah, bumper cars.
There's one. I'm gonna get this one.
No, no, here.
I'm gonna get you.
That's why Karl, my favorite spot was they can't see you yet. They'll see you when they come over the top. They can see you as they're going down. And it's really, and they're going to go right by you.
Here goes Karl. Here it comes. He's so fast.
Okay, good?
We are actually at the little Clydesdale.
Come on, Clyde.
It's his birthday.
Oh, it's Ed's birthday. Happy birthday, Ed.
Look, it's his birthday. It's his birthday.
Wow.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Jump! Jump, guys! Jump! 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 I like that. Thank you, gentle viewers, for coming to Busch Gardens with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Koaster Karl's the name, speed is his game. Turn on notifications, never miss the frame. Videos dropping fast, thrill packed to the brim. Adventures are wild, come ride with him. Get your popcorn ready, buckle up tight. Every upload's a journey, every ride a flight. Karl's got the magic to make your day shine. Join the roller coaster ride with videos divine. Koaster Karl's the name, speed is his game. Turn on notifications, never miss the frame. Videos dropping fast, thrill packed to the brim. Adventures are wild, come ride with him. From the highest peak to the deepest dive, Karl's got the thrills to make you feel alive. Twisting, turning, laughing all day long. Every video a wild ride, every show a song. Koaster Karl's the name, speed is his game. Turn on notifications.